Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your touchpad appears to be getting disabled automatically on your Windows device. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, especially if you use your touchpad often. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Start menu and type in Device Manager. Best results should come back with Device Manager here. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to expand the section that says Human Interface Device and double click on it. You want to look for something that says multi-touch or touchpad, something along those lines in here. I'm on a desktop computer, so it won't show that obviously, but you want to look for something that says touchpad, and you would double click on it. You would select the Power Management tab, and then you want to make sure that the option where it says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is unchecked. And once you've done that, go ahead and select OK. Once you're done with that, you just would close out of here, restart your computer, and that'd be about it. Normally, when we're talking about peripheral devices such as mice and keyboards, I would go through the battery options as well and adjust some of the settings in there. But there isn't anything specific in there about keyboards that I'm aware of. So just keep that in mind, guys, that I think that should hopefully be able to resolve the problem, assuming you don't actually have a physical hardware problem with your touchpad, in which case you might want to get that checked out. But that has nothing to do with a software-based solution, as you will find on my channel and almost every channel on YouTube. So anyway, I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.